Hoover down, lightning strike, freak accident, splitting the San Andreas fault line, causing the United States of America to plummet into the ocean. Beneath the surface, volcano, domino effect, blood moon, M Trail Mountain, Moreno Valley, California, Box Springs Mountain Regional Park, USGS Volcano Assessment Need, National Park Service, Bureau of Reclamation, Department of Interior Design. We need all the horse. We need all the horsemen to put Humpty Dumpty together again, the United States of America back together again, or Interstate 66 U.S. to other countries from Santa Monica Pier, Pacific Ocean, Ring of Fire, Artificial World, Malibu, Artificial World.